Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to unbox this lavalier microphone right here. It is from Sony. It is ECM-LV1. Right now you're currently listening to the internal microphone of the camera, which is an iPhone, and later I'm going to put this on for you to compare which one is better, for you to know the quality of the sound, if this is going to give you a better sound quality for your cameras. So let's go ahead and open it up and pull this right here. And what we have here are papers. It is from Sony, and of course the microphone itself. And as you can see, it is in plastic bag, and this is the lavalier microphone itself. It has this Sony print on it, and this is the wind muff. So let me go ahead and put this on, and then for us to see the difference. Okay, so this microphone is currently on right now. It is basically just on my neck, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna be reading you the specification of this microphone here. It says it is electric condenser microphone, L-shaped gold-plated stereo, mini plug-in power supply system, omnidirectional, front sensitivity that is negative 38 dB, frequency response at 50 Hz to 15 Hz. The operating temperature is 0 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. Storage temperature should be at negative 20 degrees Celsius or plus 55 degrees Celsius. Of course, what's included in this box is the stereo lavalier microphone and the windscreen. This is the windscreen right here. All right, I think that should be enough sample for you guys to see if this microphone is indeed giving us a good sound quality. If this video somehow helps, please like and subscribe, and have a great one.